Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides, and I'm going to be talking about Social Security COLA adjustments and basically why it fluctuates from year to year. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. So my company, we published a book a couple years back called Social Security in 30 Minutes, 2-volume series, and one covered retirement benefits, the other one covered SSI and SSDI benefits. And one thing that came up in the book, which was by Emily Pogue, was the concept of cost of living adjustments. And she talked about what they are. It's basically a change in the amount of benefits that you get every year. But also she included this chart, which we've since updated, that shows kind of how it's been fluctuating over time. And this is the more recent time series for COLA, for Social Security COLA. And you can see that 2023, it was nearly 9%, although in 2024, it's dropped to 3.2%. And some years, it's even been 0%. And you may be wondering, well, why does it change so much from year to year? And the answer is, as Emily described in the book, is because Social Security Administration, they need to adjust benefits every year so people can basically have more money to spend on things as inflation rises. So inflation is a big part of the picture, as is the basically a consumer price index figure that Social Security Administration uses. You can find out more about how it's calculated on the Social Security website, ssa.gov, and also that's how you can find out how your own benefits will be calculated. You'll need to log in to do that. But basically, they talk about how it's calculated. They're looking at the CPIW. This is a consumer price index for wage earners, and they try to get to a good number. A number that reflects the actual increase in people's expenses. Now, one thing I need to say about the COLA adjustments every year, it may not seem fair, like let's say it goes up in 3.2% in 2024, but your rent is going up 5%. So certainly Social Security is not going to be able to help cover that shortfall. But what they do try to do is they try to balance it between different items that go into into people's prices that they pay, whether it's for gasoline or food or rent or something like that. Certainly, I think people who are renting, they're definitely feeling the squeeze more because Social Security just hasn't been able to keep up with all types of increases. And unfortunately, for a lot of people, it won't be enough to pay for things like the rent or for certain other types of expenses, depending on where you live and depending on your own situation. So the Social Security website is the place to find out more information about the latest COLA adjustments, and also, as I said before, to find out your own benefit adjustments, because it will go up over time. Some years it won't go up at all, which was the case in 2015 for starting in January 2016. You can see it's 0%, and you may be thinking, well, how can it not go up? And basically, it doesn't go up if inflation is zero. And that's what happened for many years in the late teens because inflation was extremely low. The cost of living increase did not change that much. But then post-pandemic, it really started to go up as costs for all kinds of manufactured goods and food and other things started to go up quite a bit. It's come down since then, but I think we're not going to see 0% COLA adjustments for a long time to come. I could be wrong about that, but we'll see. For more information on In 30 Minutes guides, including Social Security in 30 Minutes, go to in30minutes.com or go to your favorite online retailer and find the book, which is readily available on Amazon and other places. This is Ian, publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides. Thank you so much for watching.